Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Nissan Rogue cruise control. First, find the cruise control buttons, usually on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/OFF button to activate the system. You'll see an indicator light on your dashboard. Now, accelerate your Nissan Rogue to the speed you wish to maintain. This prepares the system for setting your desired cruising speed. It's a simple first step to a more relaxed drive. Once at your desired speed, press the SET button to lock it in. Your vehicle will now maintain this speed. To adjust, press RES Plus to increase your speed or SET to decrease it by 1 mile per hour increments. Holding the button will change speed more rapidly. If you need to temporarily disengage, simply tap the brake pedal or press the cancel button. The system remains active, ready to resume. Many Nissan Rogue models feature intelligent cruise control. This advanced system not only maintains your set speed, but also keeps a predetermined distance from the vehicle in front. You can select one of 3 following distances using the dedicated distance control button on your steering wheel. The system will then automatically adjust your speed, even braking if necessary, to maintain that chosen gap, offering a more comfortable and safer driving experience. To completely turn off the cruise control system, simply press the OFF button. This clears all settings and deactivates the system entirely. Remember, cruise control is a convenience feature, not an autonomous driving system. Always stay alert, keep your hands on the wheel, and be prepared to take full manual control of your vehicle at any moment. For more helpful resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the links in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.